Hi, my name is Christian Reyes and I'm a software expert, and I'm going to show you how to import contacts from Excel into Microsoft Outlook. You can see here I've created 4 contacts, and you see the headers right there. It says first name, work street address, and email address 1. I chose those headers intentionally, and you'll see why in a second. So there's 4 contacts there: John, Bill, Amy, Joanne. I put random numbers for a street address and email addresses, random email addresses. So once you've created those cells, what you need to make sure you do is once they're done, you need to go to File. So you want to save all your contacts, right? And in that Excel spreadsheet, you go to File, Save As. And you need to make sure that the format you have selected is Windows comma separated. That is .csv. No other format will work. You need to make sure that you save it as a CSV file. So I've already saved it. Once that's saved, I saved it right on my desktop. You open Microsoft Outlook. You go into Contacts. I'm already here. You go to File, Import, and you'll select right here Contacts or Messages from a text file. Go to Next. What would you like to import? Import contacts right there from a tab or comma delimited text file. Now it's going to ask you where's that CSV file that you created, and right there I have it on the desktop. It's called Contacts, Import. Now you see here the reason I named those headers first name, work street address, and email address 1 is because that's what Microsoft Outlook recognizes. So as you can see, you see this little box that says first name, work street address. It's pointing that out because it's recognizing that it's going to map them under the same fields as Microsoft Outlook because it recognized the same header. So that's the easiest way to do it. Make sure that your headers are named by the same fields as Microsoft Outlook. Now, once you see that that's there, if you ever see anything under unmapped fields, that means that one of your fields is not matching one of the Outlook fields, so that it won't be added into your contact card. So now that they're all there, I just hit Import, Finish, and there it is. Now you see all my contacts and all their information is right there, right in the contact card. So that is how you import contacts from Excel into Outlook. My name is Christian Reyes. Thank you.